In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add products in Freshsales CRM. Adding products to your product catalog is a simple but important setup step. It helps your team keep pricing consistent, organize what you sell, and attach the right items to deals without retyping details every time. Start by logging into Freshsales CRM and looking to the top area of your screen for the gear icon. This is where the admin settings are located. Select the gear icon to open admin settings, then find and choose the section labeled Deals and Pipelines. This area controls settings related to how your sales process and deal information are managed, including the products you associate with opportunities. Once you are inside Deals and Pipelines, look for Product Catalog and select it. The Product Catalog is the central list of products your sales team can choose from when building quotes or updating deal line items. Keeping this list clean and accurate will save time later, so it is a good idea to follow the same naming style your team already uses. Next, go to the top right corner and click the Add Product button. This opens the form where you will enter the product details. Begin by typing the product name. Use a name that is clear and recognizable, especially if you have similar items. Then choose the category. Categories are useful for organizing products and making them easier to find, so select the one that best matches the product you are adding. After that, enter the base price. This should be the standard price you want associated with the product by default. Then select the currency. Make sure the currency matches how you normally price that product, especially if your organization sells in more than one region. Accuracy here is important because this information may carry into deals and reports. Finally, click Save. Once saved, the product will appear in your product catalog and be available for your team to use. And that is all there is to it.